All right, live trade for AUDUSD. Today is Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. However, this trade was taken on Monday, September 4th, 2023. All right, and so I got an alert. It was actually the 15-minute alert. So this particular one here with price crossing down. So when I get down to when I get over to the chart and I lower the time frame, I get all the way down like to the 15 second to 30 second. And I think I was on the 30 second. I'm doing my best to recall how it all went down. But anyway, I saw that the 2050 had crossed here, and of course, price was already way down here. It was somewhere in this area after price had broken below this zone I had put in place, this alarm. And then I was thinking to myself, okay, I've gotten in too late because my 4 had crossed my 20 and then back out again, and price is way down here. So I saw that. So then I went to, I'm just going to cut the market off so I don't lose my place here. And so I was using the 5-minute analysis, their time frame for my analysis. I made some notes here so that I wouldn't forget my thought process. Hopefully I don't. All right, so of course the cross happens here, and I'm looking at, okay, I still have lots of volume here. I've got the signal line that goes through this particular, that's going through the area on this MACD, and then I have the stochastic here in the center. So I'm thinking, okay, on the 30 second, I definitely still have time to enter because there's still lots of volume. So I continue dropping down to the 30 second, and two, I just went ahead and entered after I noticed that I had lots of volume. So I entered here, of course, where I have this vertical line. And then I looked over to the left to see potentially where my target, my take profit target could potentially be. Let me go back to the 5. And okay, so price was along here. And so looking over to the left where I have this yellow horizontal is where I had identified maybe the next that was my take profit goal. It had only 2 pink candles amongst all of these gray, and then a strong gray candle. So that was my maximum take profit goal. All right, so moving back to 30 seconds. And so then I just began to trap this right here, seeing if I could get another entry. And I may have even dropped down to the 15 second. 15 seconds keep coming to mind for me. I know I was there. I didn't document it, but yeah, it still looks good. And so I went ahead, trapped it, as well as an impetus level, a break of structure level here. Had low volume, minimal volume. And then for some reason, after I had entered here, I was also back testing, and I had stumbled upon this data window over in my back testing. So I brought it over to this particular asset here and was just watching it. I liked that it had all of my data for all of my oscillators right here versus it being right here and clouding up the candles, as well as all of the other data provided here. So I liked it, just again being over here to the side. Then I'm able to just kind of gauge what everything is doing as I'm looking to the past, as everything is playing out. And as I'm looking at this, I noticed this volume here. I didn't know what that meant, so then I started kind of inspecting what exactly that meant, and actually it is the volume per candle. So I thought that was pretty fire. So it's for certain something I'm going to continue using. It was definitely helping me with my back testing, than I did last night, and I was coming out with some wins. So I'll follow up with that a little bit later. But anyways, so I think I'll go back to my 30-second at some point, because what happened here, I had, maybe it was 15. Maybe it was 30. Goodness. Maybe it was a minute, because what happened, okay, so price broke out. Was it a minute? Oh man, okay, I don't remember what happened. What did I enter here? I entered right here. There was still volume on the 5-minute for sure. And then, okay, I thought maybe there was a cross up and back down. What did I enter there? I don't remember. Anyways, so another entry right here. Oh, I know why. Because, yeah, price did cross up and then cross back down. That's what it is. The 4 crossed the 50 and then came back down. Let me go back to my 30 to see if it appears on there. I don't think it did. I think it was on the 1 minute. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. So yeah, price crossed up, or the 4 had crossed up and then back down, and then I wanted to wait until I got another bearish candle before I entered. So this one right here popped up and I entered with the same take profit goal here. And then, so I'm going to speed this up. So price is continuing to play out, and let me better capture this. And all right, so I had the 4 that crossed up and then out again, and right here is, once I got that second bearish candle out of the 50 is where I entered. I still have the volume on the 5-minute, and that is why I entered. Again, another thing that I forgot to capture is, so as this right here was playing out, okay, so I had a hit right here. Like, I kept noticing that price continued to come right back to this area. So by the time it hit the second time is when I had looked over. It's hard to see. Let me go to the anyways, there's a green line right here, and so when it hit again at the second time, kind of in the same areas, when I looked over, oh no, that's when I went ahead and just identified it as a zone, and it's unable to be seen because this is blocking it. All right, so went ahead and identified that, and so I knew it was going to be a strong little level that price was going to have to break through. It retested it and then pushed down, and so then I enter here, price hits right here, and so I went ahead and documented this right here. I identified this level just because it had came to it another time. And then let me make sure, let me check my notes. So 30-second entry, side of play, supply demand levels. I looked left for the yellow take profit, 5-minute analysis time frame, and then the data window. Yeah, so I also math this right here. All right, so I got all that stuff covered. So price is continuing to play out. Starting to get late. I'm getting tired. It's like after 11, and I just began to trap this, and then I go to bed. I'm tired by now. So I wake up, and in summary, it hits my take profit once. Not that I had multiple well, I did have multiple entries, but just to see how price respected this level on several occasions. And this is just something that I'm just now seeing too. So even to the left where I marked up this area in yellow, price came to it 1, 2, 3, pushed through it, retested, and continued down. So that's pretty fire to see just how price continues to come to these zones. I don't know why I'm always still so amazed, but I am. So anyways, yeah, price just continued to drop from the time I went to bed till about 2, almost 3 a.m. Yeah, past 3. But anyway, so that's how that played out. And so I got 3 W's out of this using the ORS Classic. And 2, just looking at as price is continuing to play, it's giving me the volume in each candle. And what I've noticed too is just how it seems to, it seems to me that it prepares me for the pullback. So as price is moving, the volume in each candle becomes greater or lesser to show more of the bullish, bearish tug of war, if you will. So anyways, that's pretty much how that particular trade went, and super excited about it, and more to come.